Hi friends, welcome to all of you in our first session, Memory Mastery with lot of fun. Yes. So, what are the challenges? What are the challenges parents facing today? In today's days, okay. Maybe parent as this children, they do study, but they forget. I hope this happens with everyone in the current life. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. What happened? Child has most interest in TV or maybe mobile. Yes. Are you facing these issues? I can see everyone saying yes. Yes. Okay. Sometime what? They have exam fear. In entire year they study, but at the time of exam they fear. They get fear. Yes. All of you facing these issues? Most of them. Most of them. What other thing happen? When child sit for study, the internal voice come. Don't do study now. Let's go with friend for playing. Yes, yes. So what do you think? What do you think? Why they are not able to focus on their learning? Or as a parent or as a student, what are the issues? Why they're not able to focus on learning? So yes. So our today's topic is how our mind learns. Yes, friends. So for learning, what is required for learning? What do you think? Friends, for learning, it required concentration. Let me repeat. For learning, it required concentration. You will say, yes, you're not able to concentrate. But how to concentrate? For concentration, it required interest. You will say, my child have interest in one topic or in one subject, but not in another. Yes, if I ask this question for parent, most of the parents will raise the hand. Yes, because one subject they have interest, another subject they don't have interest. Yes, so repeating, for learning it required concentration, and for concentration it required what? Interest. Now how to get interest? For interest, what it required? For interest, my dear friends, it required what? Yes, association. For interest, it required association. Now, what is this association? Okay, let me give an example. If you go with your child for a movie, right? Listen it carefully. When you go for a movie with your children and you watch entire movie for 3 hours, you come out and ask any scene to your child. Will your child say, I forgot that? No. Answer will no. Yes? All of you? Yes? Yes, definitely. Because your child or you are able to remember that all entire 2000 frames or 3000 frames movie entirely your mind. You're able to remember. If child is able to remember 2000 frames movie or 3000 frames movie, why not study? Getting my point? Yes. If child is learning, okay, is able to associate in that movie. Are you able to connect? Yes. The child is able to associate with that movie. That's why he's able to concentrate there and remember that easily. For association, what association required? For association, what are the things required? Let me tell you. Association, there are 5 points. First, colors. Now, please connect with the movie. Okay, why we are able to associate with the movie? Colors. If I tell you there's a two theater, if I tell you there's two theater, in one theater there's a color movie, another theater is a black and white movie. If I ask you a question, which movie theater you would like to go? Your answer will be yes. Your answer will be color. because our mind likes color. With the color, we are able to associate more. Okay, so first point for association is color. Next point is sound. Now, if I ask you, there's a two movie theater. In one movie theater, there's a movie going on with fights and all that, with sound and action. And in second theater, there's no sound. It's on mute, right? Now, which movie you would like? Yes, give me answer. Yes, you will say I want to go theater where there's a sound. So mind like sound. If there's a sound, we are able to associate with that. Yes. So first was what? Tell me. Color. Second was sound. Third is what? The whatever you're learning, it should be movie format. Example, there's a two theater. In one theater, there's a movie which is running movie, like we watching, right? People are running here and there, like this in the video. I'm moving, my hands are moving, right? It's a movie format. And in another theater, there's a slides, one by one slide coming. Slide, it stop. Second slide, stop. Third slide, stop. So it's coming one frame by frame, static, not moving like running. So which movie you like? So you might like not static picture. You might like more running picture more. The more running picture, the more you will able to associate. Fourth, if you, I, when you say this is my car, or this is my pen, or this is my mobile, okay, okay. So here, when you are part of some picture, okay, or wherever you are remembering something, if you are there, you are able to connect more. Okay, just think this point in your mind. Wherever you remember anything, add yourself into that. Then you are able to remember that thing more. You're able to associate more. Okay. Now next, this point number is fifth. Uniqueness. Example, if you go down from your home, okay, and on the road there are 1,000 people. How many? 1,000 people. Out of 1,000 people, there's one person who looks like monkey. He's white color or fairy hairs and bit 10 feet height and this long tail. He's a man but looks like monkey. So you saw him, you come back to home. So out of 1,000 people, which person you will remember more? The answer will be that monkey, the person who looks like monkey, because he is unique. Yes, friends. So as I said, these 5 points are required to associate. So in your learning, if you want to concentrate, you have to create interest. For concentrate, it required interest. For interest, it required association. For association, these 5 points are important. And the more these 5 points are in your learning, the more you are able to remember. Yes, friends, this is the main base for how we remember things more faster. Yes, so going forward, all my upcoming sessions, we focus on these 5 points. Association, how to associate with something. Okay, so let me give not exercise today. You just think about anything for today, that whatever I'm learning currently today, how can I associate? For associate, how can I add these 5 points? Color and sound, make it movie format, make it unique, and let me put myself into that picture. If you add these 5 points in that movie, let's see. Okay, just think. This is not exercise, just think. Take any simple example and put, and then see how you're able to remember things. Okay, so friends, This was how our mind learns session. I hope you like it. Any questions you can put me on a group. I'll give answers to you. Okay. So wait for our next fantastic and fun exercise, new learning. Okay. In next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.